In this class we are going to learn about slot. Okay, let's see. Center rectangle point. It's okay. Exit workbench. Now I want to give some thickness. It is about some 80 thickness. Okay, preview. Shows action space. Okay, right. So to develop the slot, we have a material. Previously we learned about rib means material adding tool. Slot means material removal tool. So to remove the material, first of all we need an object. So we have selected this one. It is also required profile and center curve, and the remaining options also same as rib option. Keep angle, pulling direction, reference surface, merge slot, everything. Okay. Already we have seen rib option. Just we see how it works the slot in this video. Okay. For that now I am selecting this plane. Okay. Here I am choosing spline. Exit workbench. I am choosing this plane. Okay. Here it is the point. I want to give irregular shape, so that I am giving again hexagon. This is the hexagon. Exit workbench. Select the slot command. Automatically profile I selected. Now I am choosing center curve. See, observe here this final edge. Merge slot ends. Okay, here it stopped here. If I deselect this one, it comes up to here. Let's see. Preview. Okay, this is the slot option, and we know everything remaining. Neutral fiber, margin, and the thickness. Okay, if you want to give thickness, see it is how it works. Preview. This is a cut, but practically it is not possible. Preview. This is the slot option. Okay, now I want to show you one more thing. If I select this plane, okay, I selected some elongated hole. Exit workbench. Okay, now let's select the slot. Here it is the profile. Now I want curve, so I am choosing this curve. I didn't sketch anything for the center curve, so here in this profile I am selecting this line as curve, center curve. So let's see how it's happened. Select profile and center curve leads to twist configuration. Use a center twist. Smaller curve. Okay, here it is twisting too much. So let's sketch. Let's see, is it possible or not? Merge, and again I am selecting merge and slot here. Yes, it's accepted. Preview. This is the slot option. So here I want to say one thing. To develop the slot or rib, we particularly no need any center curve. If we want to develop the slot or curve on any profile, if it is suitable, any curve is there on the profile, we can select that. Okay, that is one of the option. We can use that. And this is the slot option. Here we see slot option. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.